Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Dodge Avenger's transmission fluid. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface. The engine should be at its normal operating temperature, which usually means driving it for about 15 minutes. Gather a clean, lint-free rag and a funnel, which will be helpful if you need to add fluid. Always refer to your owner's manual for the correct fluid type. Now, let's locate the transmission fluid dipstick. It's typically found near the back of the engine compartment and often has a yellow or red handle. Carefully pull the dipstick out, then use your clean, lint-free rag to wipe it completely clean. Reinsert the dipstick all the way back into its tube, ensuring it's fully seated. Then, pull it out one more time to get an accurate reading. When you examine the dipstick, the fluid level should ideally fall between the full and add marks. If it's below the add mark, you'll need to add more fluid. Also, pay close attention to the fluid's color and smell. Healthy transmission fluid is typically a clear, reddish color. If it appears dark brown, black, or has a burnt odor, it's a strong indicator that your transmission needs professional service. If your fluid level is low, it's time to add the correct type of transmission fluid. Use a clean funnel and add the fluid slowly in small increments, perhaps about 1/4 of a quart at a time. After each addition, reinsert the dipstick and recheck the level. Be careful not to overfill, as too much fluid can be just as damaging as too little. Once the level is correct, securely replace the dipstick.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.